Hey girls! I wanted to do a video since it's the beginning of the year. It's the perfect time for this video. And I wanted to let you guys know about tax time. I know that a lot of people wonder this, and it's a confusing time, especially when you have a home business like ours. I want to start off by saying, obviously I'm not a professional accountant or bookkeeper. So these are just guidelines. I want you to ask around in your groups if anybody knows of somebody that can be highly referred, that knows the ins and outs of home businesses, network marketing, direct sales. But truly the last couple of years I have just gone to H&R Block, and our taxes, if you are Canadian, we're not going to be getting a T4 in the mail. It's up to you to keep track of this, and it just goes under your personal, what's it called? Just your personal taxes. There's nothing special about it. But you are going to have a whole whack of receipts to take in, and that's why I want you to get a notebook and write these things down and watch this video again. And I know there's a couple of you, Stephanie and Natalie, that can probably pipe in the comments and add anything that I might have forgotten. So much. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do, and I recommend doing this at least every month or every 2 months so that you don't go crazy, is to print things off so that you have those receipts. So the first thing is go into your back office, and you are, boy, this is a big list. You are going to go under your royalties, and you are going to print off every month's commissions and royalties. You're sort of like a waitress, and it's just an honest system, really, and you are claiming tax income on your royalties and commissions, no matter how much it is. So print those off by month, and I just highlight it, give it to the accountant. The next big thing is your vehicle expenses. So you want to keep track of your mileage all year long. Anything that you do for business, if you're going to markets, if you're doing a delivery, it really truly adds up, because I will write down, even if it's 5 kilometers, excuse me, it really adds up. Next thing is your gas receipts, oil changes, car washes, any maintenance that you do, even those awesome $1,000 car maintenance checkups, you can keep the receipts for that. Tires, I got my winter tires written off. Any team incentives or gifts, keep those receipts. Any makeup purchased for yourself or purchased for samples, keep those receipts, they're a write-off. Any travel that you do for business, so if it's conventions, trainings, markets, keep your receipts for all the gas, all the hotels, flights, foods. I got Mexico last year written off because I talked about Unique. The minute that you talk about Unique, it's considered a tax write-off. Lunch, dinner, and coffee meetings, keep those bills. If you have a designated area that's used only for work, like an office, then you can write off a part of your rent or mortgage, the heat, the electricity for that square footage. Some people do this, some don't. I didn't last year. I didn't have a designated spot, and they wouldn't let me write off part of my dining room because it was also used for eating. But now I have an office. Your cell phone and your internet, because that's how we do our work, so I claim 95% of those bills. I got a new phone, it's written off. I got an iPad, it's written off. Any swag or unique wear, if you have mugs, paper, you go to Chapters and get the cute stuff there, that's all a business supply write-off. Your presenter's kit, so you can go back to your original email, and that is a write-off, the $119. Basically, the rule of thumb, if it has anything to do with any part of your business, keep those receipts. There's some really great accountants that know the ins and outs, and they will be able to tell you loopholes, but you would be surprised, and it really adds up, especially your first year. So keep receipts, keep up at it every month or 2 months, or you are going to be pulling your hair out at the end of the year. So So hopefully that helps some of you guys. If you are American, you will be getting whatever the form is called. But us Canadians have to pretty much do it ourselves so far. Hopefully that helps you guys. You can post questions and comments below, and we can help each other out with this. Have a great day. Bye.